Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to crop photo on a VSCO. So first of all you want to open the VSCO app on your smartphone. Then you want to go to the studio, which is this icon right here in the center. And then you want to select the photo that you want to crop. So let's say maybe I want to crop this one right here. Or maybe not. Maybe let's choose this one. Okay. Then, okay, we need to deselect the other. You want to select one photo. After selecting it, you want to click on this editing icon right here. Let me place the phone like this. Okay. And after that, you want to go to the tools, which is this icon right here. And then, as you can see, we do have the adjust button right here. So let's click on it, and as you can see, now we can select different ratios. We can select the, the level of the photo, of the picture. We can even select it to be like this small, for example. And let's say that we want to have, the perfect square. So it's good for the Instagram. And let's say that we want to have something like this one. Then you click OK. And as you can see, we have cropped the image, the photo already. And if we click adjust once again, we can go back to the adjusting and so on. So if we go to the SKU, as you can see, we can like tilt it to the other ways and also in the vertically position. So we can just play with it. Okay, so this is it. This is how you can crop a photo in the VSCO. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!